Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the most practical products that make your daily life easier. Today, we're taking a closer look at what I'm calling the best tool set for homeowners, the Eastvolt 128-piece home repair tool set. This kit is an absolute essential for anyone who wants to handle home repairs, DIY projects, or quick fixes without calling in a professional. Let's start with the design and build quality. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek black and red storage toolbox. It's compact, measuring about 13.4 inches long, 9.6 inches wide, and 3.3 inches high, which makes it easy to store in a closet, car trunk, or garage shelf. The toolbox feels sturdy and well built, designed to keep all 128 tools neatly organized and easily accessible. Whether you're a first-time homeowner or a seasoned DIY enthusiast, this set is made to help you tackle almost any project with confidence. Now, let's talk about what's inside. The Eastvolt tool set includes everything you need for general household repairs. You get a claw hammer for basic nails and hangings, precision screwdrivers for electronics or small appliances, a pair of cutting pliers, an adjustable wrench, a tape measure, a dual-head mini ratchet screwdriver, various sockets, and a full selection of driver bits. Essentially, it's a one-stop solution for furniture assembly, home maintenance, bike repair, or even quick automotive tasks. Every piece in this kit is made from high-quality steel and finished with heat-treated chrome. This not only adds strength but also provides durability and corrosion resistance. The handles are ergonomically designed with a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during longer tasks. You can feel that each tool has been crafted to last, and it doesn't have that cheap, lightweight feel that you sometimes get with budget tool kits. Another highlight is portability. The molded carrying case keeps all tools secure in their individual slots, so you won't have to worry about them rattling around or getting misplaced. It's also lightweight enough to carry around easily, which makes it great for apartment living, moving, or even for keeping in your car as an emergency kit. In real-world use, the Eastvolt 128-piece tool set proves itself to be reliable. Tightening loose screws, fixing a leaking pipe, adjusting a bicycle chain, or hanging a picture frame, it handles it all. The variety of bits and sockets gives you flexibility for different sizes and types of fasteners, so you're always prepared for whatever repair comes your way. One of the best parts about this set is the value for money. At just around $26, you're getting a complete, high-quality set that would normally cost much more if you bought the tools individually. The fact that it includes 128 pieces means you won't need to run to the hardware store every time something breaks at home. It's perfect for homeowners, renters, college students moving into their first apartment, or anyone looking to start building a home toolkit. It's also a fantastic gift idea for someone who's just moved into a new home or enjoys hands-on projects. In summary, the Eastvolt 128-piece home repair tool set offers an excellent balance of quality, variety, and affordability. It's well built, easy to carry, and covers all your basic repair needs. If you're looking for an all-in-one toolkit that's dependable and doesn't break the bank, this is the one to go for. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth product breakdowns, and comment below if there's another tool set you'd like us to review next. See you in the next video.